is our warehouse. We always keep some raw materials and finished products in our warehouse. You can see this is our craft paper raw material. All of these are craft paper with different materials and different weight in here. And as you can see, we have other different materials in our warehouse in the shaft. There are cartons, finished products, and after our products finished, if the cans do not send goods at time, we will keep in our warehouse for some time and pack in the pallet as this. This warehouse can keep cans of different materials and different finished products after we receiving your products, so we can assure the production times for your orders. These are all the finished products for our honeycomb paper. This is our factory. We can produce different kinds of factory products by ourselves. And we can assure the quality of the product and the production time of your order. So if you have any interesting about our product, welcome to contact us at any time.